what kind of question you should ask a carpet cleaner when your Oriental rug becomes saturated with a dog or cat's urine odor? What kind of question I should ask that will guarantee me result that I can dream about it? The urine odor removal, it's a different cleaning process. If you need the rug to be cleaned from dirt and soil, it's a different type of service. So let me guide you by asking the right question. If your Oriental rug have a bad urine odor, you should ask your carpet cleaning provider, do you guarantee in writing to remove the urine odor? This is the reason you need the service. You already try all the kind of cleaning products such as enzyme deodorize with no success. It's mean then the enzyme and deodorize cannot eliminate the urine odor. They just mask the urine odor. Ask them, are you using enzyme or deodorize? And if the answer will be yes, you may consider some other service. If your Oriental rug is a handmade, expensive and beautiful, ask your professional carpet cleaning, do you have any video on YouTube? Then I can watch how do you clean the Oriental rug. Are you using any scrubber or heavy machine on my Oriental rug? If the answer is yes, avoid this service. The damage will be permanent and cannot be reversed. Now, after you find the right one that are not using any deodorize and no scrubber, then ask what it costs to clean my Oriental rug. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.